So a quick little review of the Campbell Air Tool compressor. It's the model 10020C out of the box. It looks fairly clean and new until you take a look carefully down inside, and it looks like there are oil splatters and little discolorations on top of the metal there. I don't know if you can see those. But the other more disturbing thing was the tires. And I didn't think I bought something that was refurbished, but if you look at the tires in the pack, and I'll post some pictures, they're worn. They're worn with wear spots, some marks on them, and there are absolutely flat spots on the tires where they look like they've been dragged across the ground. So I don't know what the deal is with the product, but I took the time to be very careful looking at it when I saw the reviews. And I will let you know after I hear back from Amazon and the Air people about exactly how this happened, because I did not buy a refurbished unit. I bought something new, and in light of all the complaints, I want to get to the bottom of why it came with those oil splatters on it and the sad condition of these wheels.